Hey everyone, Tech Steve here, and today we have the Hisense U6H, which is part of the 2022 lineup. Now, this TV has been very anticipated because it has a really good price on it. In fact, this 55-inch, I paid around $400 plus tax with it, USD, and it has features like your quantum dots. It also has a new Gaming Plus mode, full array local dimming, and Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. So those are some really anticipated features that people are looking for. So in this video, we're gonna just get out of the box and I'll show you guys the design of the television and the remote control. So sit back and relax and let's get started. Before I go ahead and get out of the box, I just want to show you guys that it does have Bluetooth, it works with Alexa. It also has Dolby Vision IQ, Dolby Atmos sound, and it does have a motion rate of 240, but this is a 60 hertz television. Now I want you guys to know that Hisense does provide you with a 2-year warranty, so you can have peace of mind that you will be covered if something happens to it. And another feature that I can't wait to check out is the Gaming Mode Plus, because I did a review on the A6H and it had VRR for a 60 hertz television, so I only can imagine how good this is going to look with the quantum dots. So let's go and jump in. All right, so let's go ahead and get everything opened up here. All right. So it looks like they have some pretty good packing in here. This little piece of cardboard. There are also some feet. We'll put those over here to the side. And some styrofoam. And then down here inside of the box, looks like we have the remote control instruction book, and it does come with batteries, which is pretty cool. Since this is a 55-inch television, it is ideal to have someone to help you out because you definitely don't want to hurt yourself. So in my case, I have Justin over here, and he helps me film videos for the channel from time to time. So Justin, let's go ahead and grab this cardboard that's protecting the screen. All right. And the great thing is that Hisense did put that cardboard on there, and now we're just going to grab this TV from the side, squeeze, and lift it up. All right. You got it? Okay, let's go ahead and put it right there. So it's pretty easy to get out of the box with a little bit of help. So here we have the bottom of the television. Over here we have the metal insert so you can mount the feet on. There's a speaker on each side. And then right here, I'll show you guys in a minute, but that is the selector for getting through some of the basic menus if you lose your remote control. Before I screw everything in, I want to show you guys that it does use M5 12mm screws for the feet. And one thing I want to show you guys about the feet is that now they have this T shape, as you see right there, so you can't make any kind of mistakes putting them on. Just stick them right there and then just put in the provided screws. And another thing worth mentioning is that now you have your wire maintenance built into the stand. And if you look at the bottom, you have these rubberized feet to keep it from slipping on the table. All right, so I got everything all screwed in, and just want to show you guys the side view. You can see it's kind of flat here at the top, and then has this indentation right here. Now the power cord's right there on this side, and let's take a look at the other side. On this side, you have all your inputs. On the top, we have a service port. Looks like a ATSC antenna input. We have 3 HDMIs right here. And these are all 60 hertz, so they're HDMI 2.0. We also have an AV input, which is a 3.5mm, so you will need an adapter. We have a headphone output, a reset button, and 2 USBs. And on the very back here, it looks like we have an Ethernet input, but it does have Wi-Fi built in. We also have a fiber optic output. And look at this, we also have a 4th HDMI input, which is pretty cool. Now one of these is eARC. So if you're going to run a soundbar on it, you can use that, and it will output Dolby Atmos if you're using the HDMI 2.1 cable to a soundbar audio system that can accept uncompressed Dolby Vision and Dolby Audio. Also, you can mount this TV on the wall, and there's the screw holes that you would use to put it on a bracket. Now when it comes to protection, it looks like you have a piece of plastic on each side right here. We're going to peel that off, and I'll get that in just a minute. You have another one on this side. And then I can see that there's a plastic piece here on top, which I'll peel off in just a minute. And there's another plastic piece here on the bottom. but I do not see anything on the screen itself. Now earlier, I want to show you guys this part. Over here, you have a microphone switch that you can turn off and on, but I will tell you that these will light up. So if you don't want to use the Google feature, you probably want to put a piece of tape over it. It also has 2 microphones, and it does have a power button right there. Last thing I will show you is that it does come with a quick setup guide, a power cable, and this is the remote control that comes with it. Up here you have your power button as well as your input button. This is where you can select for different users' account. This is your OK Google commands, navigation button, volume, channels, as well as some menu buttons, play, pause, and some hotkeys at the bottom. And just so you guys know, this was just a unboxing video. You can see I have the menu system ready to go so I can set it up. And if you guys are interested, I'll be putting more videos on this TV on TechSteve tutorials where you can check out how to use a lot of different televisions. Now, the next video that comes out on this TV, on this channel, will be a full review. So you guys have any questions, leave that in the comments below. I'm TechSteve. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!